Namaste, dear all. Today I am telling you a story about living with divine. One day somebody is meeting me, and she said me, I am living with divine all the time. And I asked her, how you are living with divine? And she said me, early morning I am wake up, I am having my bath, and then I am doing puja. And I asked, what puja you are doing? And she said me that I have so many goddesses in my temple. So I wash them nicely with milk and all, what she say, panchamrut, and then I putting some chandan tikka to them, and and burning fragrance, and then some flowers, beautiful flowers I am putting on that murtis, and I am burning a lamp before goddesses, and putting some prasad before goddesses, and I chant Om Namah Shivaya, uh, and that's like I'm doing that puja. So I asked her that in that puja, how much time you are with that divine thinking. You are thinking that I am loving that God, and just I am putting water and washing that goddess's murti. So, are you thinking that you are yourself is that goddess's murti, and you have to take bath yourself also when you are bathing that God, and you have to think that I am also getting purified. I am also washing all negativity from my body, and with purifying and my mind, and that is a purification of my body also. And then I am putting that chandan tikka, means that coolness in my forehead, so I can think nicely and do everything very calmly and peacefully. So that you are doing with yourself, and you are just like fragrance like that flowers, you are pure like that flowers, and you are showing a light to yourself, that so all darkness has to be go out when that light is enter in you. You can see everything very clearly, and you can make everything very right in that light. So you are putting that light before you and doing purification of your mind and your soul, and that is real puja. So if you are doing like this way, then that is real puja. Otherwise, that is only show off thing. People are doing puja, they are having silver or golden goddesses murti, and they are having silver things for puja of that god, silver thali and silver spoon and silver kumkum box and rice box, everything is silver, and their god's temple is also silver, and they are putting a very nice silky cloth on goddesses, and beautiful flowers, costly flowers. They are putting on goddess's murti and lightening a lamp and making a sound of bells, and even that bells also very costly. And they feel that wow, what a wonderful puja I am doing. And now that goddesses will be very happy and they will give me so much things, so money and wealth and whatever I want, now goddesses will give me because I am doing this very costliest puja for them. So all this is the only show of business. That is not puja, because inside your mind nothing nothing anything about divinity, nothing anything about purity, nothing any bhav for that divine, and you are doing puja. So that puja is not a right way to living with divine. So that is not divine living. That is not that you are living with divine. And people are doing so many things. Their inside is different and their outside is different. They are saying everything very sugar coated, and inside things are totally different. Very simple thing. They say somebody, oh, you please come my home, and inside they are thinking that, oh, इसको तो बिल्कुल नहीं आना चाहिए. He should not come. Even even I am saying, come to my home. So all this is a fraud. They are doing they are foolishing themselves, because nothing is truth in that. All the time they are speaking lies, bluffing, sugarcoating, hiding, and inside outside is different. Such like so many things they are doing. There is a no any bhav of divine in their activity, in their karma, and all the time they are living like that way, and they are foolishing themselves that they are with divine. They are always doing criticize. They are always jealousy about other people's. They are having so many things and I have nothing, and they are jealous about that thing. Lot of frustration in them, lot of ego in them, and all their activity is a egoistic activity and very manipulations, and so many things like this way. And they are thinking that I am with a divine. They are chanting Om, they are chanting any other mantras. Even they say, I completely remember that adhyay of that Bhagavad Gita. I remember that shlokas, and really they are really completely 100% remember all these things. They are remember even some shlokas in Veda, and they think that they are divine. They are with divine, remembering Bhagavad Gita, and in your attitude and in your karma, there is no stress of that Bhagavad Gita. Your approach and your living and your attitude is the totally opposite of what is saying in Bhagavad Gita, or what is saying Sri Aurobindo ji, what is saying Sri Ma. And they are using their names only. They all the time says that, oh, I have so much love for Sri Ma. I have so much love for Sri Aurobindo ji, and their all behavior is just opposite of them. So, where is divinity? and where is living with divine. So you have to think very nicely what you are doing, and what is your karma, and what is your attitude. Are you living with truth, or are you living always with falsehood? So living with falsehood is not living with divine. Being with truth, living with truth, compassion, love, gratitude, helping attitude, and just understanding about everything. You have a great tolerance. Even that tolerance is not tolerance, but you are understanding. With understanding, you are saying everything, okay, okay, no problem, I will make it correct. And I understand why that person is doing that way, and this type of understanding. And then that is a really living with divine. So your every activity and your gunas are like a divine gunas, then only you are living with divine. Not doing so pujas and going in temple and doing bhajan and putting a tikka on your forehead, or nice speaking, is that is not living with divine. Living with divine is a, you have a consciousness of that divine, and you are working and you are doing everything very consciously with very awareness and being with truth. That is a living with divine. So always remember that. Oh, I have to develop, I have to make my consciousness, divine consciousness, truth consciousness, more and more, and then I am going more and more near to divine, and that will be a life divine. So, thank you so much.